Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate with cocoa seed. First, you'll need to select high-quality cocoa beans, as their origin and variety significantly impact the final taste. Next, roast your beans in an oven at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. This process develops their rich flavor and makes them easier to process. Listen for a slight popping sound, which signals they are properly roasted and ready for the next step. After roasting, it's time to winnow the beans. This means removing the thin outer shells to get to the cocoa nibs inside. You can do this by hand or with a simple winnowing machine. Once you have the nibs, grind them into a smooth, liquid cocoa liquor. A melanger is ideal for this, but a powerful food processor can also work, though it might take longer to achieve the desired consistency. Now we move to conching, a crucial step for developing flavor and smoothness. This involves continuously mixing the cocoa liquor, often for several hours, while adding sugar and any other ingredients like vanilla or milk powder. After conching, you'll need to temper the chocolate. This process involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to stabilize its crystal structure, ensuring a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap when broken. Finally, pour your perfectly tempered chocolate into molds. You can use any shape or size you like, from classic bars to fun novelty shapes. Let the chocolate cool and solidify completely, either at room temperature or in the refrigerator for quicker setting. Once firm, carefully unmold your homemade chocolate. It's incredibly rewarding to taste the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.